If you're lucky enough to have a pre-2024 Svartpilen 401 or Vitpilen 401, you're probably pretty happy with how cool you look, but not so happy with the cost of Husqvarna spares. Today we're going to check out an AliExpress air filter. How bad could it be? So as you can see, there are a few options for budget air filters on AliExpress, and all of them are around half the price of an OEM filter. They have both the paper and mesh filters. I'll go through the differences later in case you don't know. I think I'll grab this mesh one even though it's a little more expensive. I'm always very careful when taking off the airbox cover, because dropping a screw in the Svart is a real pain. For anyone who may not know, this is the air intake to your engine, so you definitely don't want to drop anything down there. I'm a bit paranoid, so I'm going to stuff a cloth down there just to be sure. Let's have a look at the two filters side by side. So this is what's commonly known as a paper filter. It's not paper, but it is made from the same base material as paper, which is wood pulp. They are very good filters, but don't allow high airflow. They also can't be washed, and they should be replaced when dirty. The new one is what is sometimes called a high-performance filter. It's made from multiple layers of cotton gauze kept together by wire mesh. They're usually covered by thin oil to help catch the dust, and they allow higher airflow, so you might get better throttle response. But the downside is they usually aren't as good at filtering as paper filters. The new filter is slightly warped in some places, but the seal seems to be very good and should work well. Okay, this is really stiff. A very snug fit, but got there eventually.
Well, what did you think of the AliExpress air filter? I can't say it was perfect, it was a bit of a tight fit, but it did go in eventually. And the seal seems to be pretty good, and I think maybe the throttle response is a little bit quicker, but can't say for sure. You'll have to make up your own mind. If you've got any tips about spare parts for your Svartpilen, please put it in the comments section. And if you got something out of this video, please give it a like, and as always, thanks for watching.